when you go to this type of frame, first of all, it's 4 foot on center. It's not
Right.
2.
Right.
And then you're eliminating a piece of wood.
Right.
So the cost is actually, it might be negligible. We're going to find out. But
Right.
I really believe that, because when I'm ordering all this stuff, I'm counting all this up, and I'm like, everything is money. When you concentrate all of that strength into a single timber, and you get a better look.
Right. And that tongue and groove is part of your structure rather than being just for looks.
It's part of the shear.
Right.
It's
Right.
part of the shear. Like
Right.
we don't have to have hurricane ties on this building
Right.
because all the shear is in.
You've got those
Shear's
are
in the roof.
diaphragms right there.
Right,
So,
and
yeah.
that shear is loading onto the lower frame,
Right.
not allowing it to move.